So we're currently at Hurghada Old Bazaar, and there's some lovely fruits here with the fruit man. It's a beautiful day, 24 degrees, nice and warm, and we have loads of nice. This is, they have really beautiful things. People on motorbikes. So we're at the old bazaar, and most of the people are really friendly. Not bumped into any spice shop, shisha shop, souvenirs, plastic. Got clothes shops, toy shops, got so many variety in here. There's someone randomly parking in front of us. Thank you. So we're currently at Hurghada Old Bazaar, and we're in the fruit and veg, fish and chicken market, as you can see. People are so nice. Still at the bazaar. It's a really big bazaar. It's got everything, wood pieces, plastic, a lot of things.
Wanna buy this, yeah?
What did you say? Hello, I'm recording.
For how much you want?
So you have the tourism police station if you want to report anything. And then there's loads of stores.